Thanks so much for purchasing Ableton Beat Templates by PluginFuel. Here's a quick video of how to download and install this package. Once you've made your purchase, you'll be sent to a download page. If you accidentally close that page, no problem. When you made your purchase, you are sent a confirmation email with a download link. Just open that email, click on that link, and it will take you right back to the download screen. Once on the download screen, it's pretty self-explanatory. Just click the Download Now button, and your download will begin. Once your download is complete, close your web browser and go to your computer's file browser. Then select Downloads. You'll see the PluginFuel Ableton file that just downloaded. Let's double-click the file, and a folder appears of the same name. I'll open this folder, and we see 2 manuals and 2 folders. One folder and one manual for Mac installation, and another folder and manual for Windows installation. I'm on a Windows PC, so I'll open the PIF Ableton Win folder, and I see an Akai expansion file and a folder. I'll drag these files to my desktop, and I'll close my Downloads folder. Let's move these over here. Let's install our MPC expansion first. I'll open MPC Beats. I'll click Empty Project. Now let's drag and drop my expander file right into the center of the grid. And now I'm prompted to import this file. So I'll click Import. And we see our new expansion file installed right up here. Let's close MPC Beats. And let's trash this expansion file since we've already installed it. Last but not least, we have our PluginFuel Ableton Beat Templates folder. Now, this folder contains the Ableton session files. So let's open Ableton. Okay, Ableton is open. Let's drag this down a little bit. And over here on the left of Ableton Live, we have categories, but we're looking for places. Right now, we want to have user library selected. So user library selected, and let's drag our folder right into this pane. That's it. Let's bring this guy back up to the top. We can now open our PluginFuel Ableton Beat Templates folder right here. And we see our templates. To start a new session, select the template you want. And we see our ALS file. Double-click the ALS file, and our template's loaded. I can confirm that because I can see our template name here. And if I click on the MPC Beats VST channel right here, I can click on our wrench icon down in the plugin box, and I see the same name right here in the MPC Beats project file that's been loaded. I'll close MPC Beats, and that's it. We've installed Ableton Beat Templates.